This video will show you how to do OTA promotions. AxisRoom lets you promote OTA from Channel Manager. Let's see how. Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you on how to create OTA promotions from Channel Manager. Log into your Channel Manager and post logging in. On your left hand side you can find your property name. Click on your property name and here you can see a quick links button appear. Click on quick links and from the drop down select OTP promotion. So once you select OTP promotion, the same will get redirected to our OTP promotions page. So here you can see an existing promotion which was created previously is reflecting here. So right on top in the right hand side, you can find a plus button which shows click to create new one. Click on the plus button and here you can create a new promotion. So here on the right you can find a show all button, under which you can see notice, which supports promotions from Channel Manager. So here we have Booking.com, Travel Guru which is Yatra or Desi, Agoda, GoMMT, Airbnb and Expedia. So firstly, I'd like to create a promotion for Booking.com. So I need to give a promotion name, which will be a monsoon offer. And what type of offer, type of promotion this is. So if you want, you can set create it as a basic promotion, a country promotion, B2B promotion, or a mobile promotion. So I want this to be as a basic promotion. Then you need to select from the set discount type. So what type of a discount is it? Do you want to give it as a percentage wise or a flat off? So I'd like to give it as a percentage wise of 10% off. So next is maximum advance booking days. So this promotion is applied for how many days? If the guest is booking in advance, 7 days advance or 14 days advance, or just 0 if it's an instant discount. And then next the promotion status needs to be active. Then next select the booking dates. Select the date range as per your requirement. Next the check-in dates as per your requirement. And then days applicable on. If you want this promotion to be only active on the weekends, you can just select the weekend days. So I just like to keep it as Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then the OT which I had selected as Booking.com. And then next the mapped rate plans. The connected rate plans with Booking.com. And the room type will reflect below. So it's already selected and saved. So once we save this, the promotion will get created here and it will reflect here. So here, this is one of the existing promotions which we have created. So here you can find the promo type, promo name or promo type, the booking dates from when to when, the start dates, and the days which we have selected, the applicable days, the detail of the promotion, what type of a promotion, what type of the percentage which we have given, the status will show us success. And then under action, we have view, edit or delete a promotion. You can view the promotion or you can delete the promotion. So when you click on delete, the promotion will get deleted even on the extranet. Thank you. That brings us to the end of this video on how to do OTA promotions.